The China-Pakistan Study Center of the Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, organized a webinar on the topic of political, economic and social impact of the COVID-19. More in the following report by our special correspondent Raza Khan.
China-Pakistan Study Center of Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, in collaboration with Mashal and Agahi, organized a webinar on the topic of political, economic and social impact of COVID-19. Dr. Talat Shabbir, Director of China-Pakistan Study Center of ISSI, moderated the webinar. During the webinar, keynote address was by DG Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, Ambassador Azaz Ahmed Chaudhry, who spoke about the massive impact of COVID-19 outbreak on the whole globe. He stated that global threat perception needs to be redefined and regionalism and multipolarity will succeed, whereas big bureaucracies like United Nations and World Health Organization will lose relevance. He emphasized that internet-based technologies and services will become a new normal. Dr. Ma Hayoon, Associate Professor, Frostburg State University, USA, spoke about the rise in tragic incidents of racism and xenophobia in the world in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. He mentioned the example of racist attacks on Asian Americans and on people of Chinese origin in Europe, as well as attacks on Muslims in India. Other prominent participants in the webinar included Amir Jahangir, CEO Mashal Pakistan, Hassan Daud Butt, CEO Board of Investment and Trade, Government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Purush Chaudhry, President Agahi, and Yasir Masood, Geopolitical Analyst. At one stage, 69 people were part of the webinar. Such webinars are all set to become a new normal in the wake of lockdowns in effect due to COVID-19 outbreak.
China-Pakistan Study Center of Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, deserves credit for organizing a webinar on the topic of political, social and economic impact of COVID-19. As the whole world is affected by this menace, it is going to take quite a lot of effort on the part of humanity throughout the globe to overcome it. This is Raza Khan reporting for PTV World from Islamabad.